This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 127BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep's 10, auxiliary battery, slide-out, oven, microwave, smoke detector, DVD player, TV, leveling jacks, water heater, refrigerator, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 127BH is 8,038 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.